Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to help you learn how to add a contact on Telegram with a username. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, let's begin. Start by typing open your Telegram application and sign into your account. Now, once you reach your home screen, tap on the search button in the upper right corner. And once you do that, search for the username you want to add to your Telegram. Now, type in the username in the search bar. And as you type in the username, you should see the available matches appearing below the search bar. Once you see the person you are looking for, simply tap on their name. After tap on their name, a new chat window will open for that contact, and now you can start a conversation. If it's a channel, you can tap on the join button at the bottom of the screen and join the person's channel as well. That is how you can add or join someone else's channel on Telegram with their username. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.